Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at motion detection using Adi Mini. So here is a simple setup. I have a camera for recording the intrusion. I have a PIR sensor for recording the motion, and I have a Raspberry Pi all connected to each other. So a PIR sensor is here to detect the motion. Like we can use this for detecting intrusion in a home or bank or any place where the security is needed. So here's the softwares used, the Python and the Raspbian OS. So here's the code written. So let's just run it. So before I run the code, here I have got a mail, and the mail consists of a small video clip. So let's just see what's in the video clip. So here's the video clip that I have received from the software. You can see intrusion has been detected. So how exactly is the code written? Let's understand. Okay. So the code is written in such a way that whenever there is a motion detected in a home or any place where the security is needed or the system is installed, a small video file using the camera installed will be recorded and will be sent to a mail ID which is registered. In this case, it was my mail ID. That is the reason I have received the mail. So the sample also you guys saw, there was a small video clip. So the same video clip will be sent to the registered user. Thank you so much guys. Hope you understood.